अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे नहीं पता था कि आज के दिन मेरे घर वाले मुझे छोड़ के चले जाएंगे। मैं शरारत से भरा, मुझे बिल्कुल भी उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा। Hi Munchkins, what is up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very fun, something very different. I haven't done anything like this and I'm very excited for this video. So you guys know I recently crossed 100k on Instagram and I promised you guys that once we cross 100k, I will be doing a video where you guys will be controlling a day in my life, and I am actually a bit nervous because there are a few things that will be very challenging for me, and the first challenge is waking up early. मैं time से नहीं उठ सकती. It's not my thing. Anyways, I have already posted all the polls and I haven't checked the results. I just posted it and I never checked it. So the first poll is at what time I should wake up, and 63% of you all said wake up at 8 a.m. Trust me when I say this is going to be very difficult for me. I usually wake up around 10 or 11 o'clock, and waking up at 8 is just going to be... So of course I will set up my alarm and it would be 8 o'clock. I'll add another one of around 7:45 and one of 7:55. I'm really that kind of a person. मैं एक ही अलार्म से नहीं उठ पाती, मुझे 10-12 अलार्म्स की ज़रूरत होती है. Wish me luck, please. Good morning everyone. It's 8:11 right now. मुझे बिल्कुल भी उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है. But I need to wake up. This is the challenge. I will quickly see what is the next thing that I have to do. Next poll is, should I make my bed first or freshen up? 58% of you guys said that I should make my bed first. नहीं उठा जा रहा, मुझे नींद आ रही है. Done with my morning skincare. Now let's check the next poll. So for breakfast I gave two options, eggs or cereal, and 54% of you wanted me to have cereal. वैसे तो I really wanted to have eggs, but I don't mind having cereal as well. For caffeine to wake my soul up, I have two options, coffee and adrak chai, and 61% of you guys said adrak chai. I cannot thank you guys enough. I am obsessed with chai. I love you guys for selecting adrak chai. I love you guys. Good morning little puppy. I just had my breakfast, I'm full, and after having my chai, I'm finally awake. So now for the next poll, I asked you all if I should now work or play with Milo, and it's clear. 66% of you guys want me to play with Milo, and Milo is right here. Right here. Waiting for me to play with him, my little nuggy bear. Speak. High five. Good boy. Okay, so I just did a quick change. I accidentally spilled some foundation on my blue t-shirt. Anyways, it is almost 12:30 right now. I'm about to go shower, but today is my hair wash day. My hair looks very gross and they definitely need some pampering at this point. I will wash my hair and they will surely look very good after that. I keep sharing my experience that my hair has become so dry and frizzy right after I got my hair color done. So I colored my hair this year in February, right before my sister's marriage, and it's been 3-4 months and I'm still struggling with dry hair. I'm always in the hunt of finding a product that will make my hair look less dry and make it more manageable, and also a product that will not fade my hair color, because obviously I spent so much money to color my hair. And I'll tell you guys what, I have finally found that one product and I am in love. Products I'm talking about today are these Biolage Deep Treatment Pack. I have been a huge fan of Biolage hair care products. I love their smooth-proof range. These deep treatment packs are great to add that extra nourishment because these provide 90% more care than a conditioner, and these come in 3 different variants, so you can choose according to your hair requirement. Now if you have dry hair, I would recommend you to go for the Ultra HYDRA Source Pack, because this has aloe and spirulina extract, which is known for strengthening hair and also add that beautiful glossy sheen to the hair as well. Now if you have frizzy hair, go for the Smooth-Proof pack because it has camellia and castor oil. And lastly, if you have color treated hair like I do, go for the Color Last pack, which has orchid and apricot seeds, which prevents in hair color fading and immediately adds vibrance to your hair, making sure that your hair color is long lasting. Okay, so I just shampooed my hair, and if you haven't guessed it already, yes, I will be using the Color Last pack today. So what you're gonna do is just simply start by sectioning your hair. Also make sure that you squeeze out all the excess water from your hair before applying the product. Start applying the product on your lens and make sure that you're applying it evenly, and then start twisting just to ensure that the product is being infused really well. I will let this sit for about 3 minutes and I'll be right back after washing it. Alright, so I have air dried my hair and they feel so soft, I cannot even tell you, and they even smell amazing. You can clearly see how nice, shiny and nourished my hair looks. Also the price point is really nice. These are 100 ml bottle which retails for 350 rupees only. I will leave the links of these products in the description box below in case you want to check out these products. So the next poll is about makeup, if I should keep it natural or apply makeup, and 74% people said that I should keep it natural. This is my natural look. I have nothing on my face, just moisturizer, so I'm gonna keep it like this. No concealer, no lip color, no blush, nothing. You're gonna see my face like this in the entire video. So अब जब मेरा makeup का कोई scene नहीं है, I don't have to do anything. The next poll is afternoon nap, and you guys are so sweet, and 75% of you guys said yes, I should take a nap for 1 hour. You guys, I love you so much. So बहुत ज़्यादा headache हो रहा है and I desperately need a nap, and I'm gonna do that, and all thanks to you. I'm gonna set my alarm for 1 hour and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I just woke up and finally mera sar dard chala gaya, so I'm very happy about that. Chai with snacks and just chai, and 84% said chai with snacks. Abhi mummy bahar chali gayi hai, so she'll be home very late. वो मेरे लिए चाय बना कर गई क्योंकि मेरा सर दर्द हो रहा था एंड मुझे बहुत काम है, सो वो नहीं चाहती थी मैं परेशान हूँ, तो वो मेरे लिए ऑलरेडी चाय बना के चली गई. तो चाय ऑलरेडी है, बट आई नीड टू थिंक कि मैं क्या खाऊंगी स्नैक्स में. आई हैव टू गो टू द किचन, सी क्या पड़ा है या कुछ बनाना पड़ेगा. इट्स डिसाइडेड, आई एम मेकिंग स्माइलीज फॉर माई सेल्फ. बाहर मौसम अच्छा हो गया, ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है, तो chai with smileys, it's the best combination. I have 2-3 hours का spare time and I'm thinking कि मैं edit कर लेती हूँ, मेरे पास बहुत सारा काम है. So I'm gonna be a bad girl and I'm going to trick you guys a little bit. So I'll post a story. I will give an option of if I should edit a vlog or I should edit a tutorial. So मुझे दोनों ही करने हैं and दोनों ही बहुत important है. उसी के बहाने मुझे काम करने को मिल जाएगा and I seriously need to get things done ASAP. Now you guys know me so well. So 69% voted to edit a vlog and मुझे vlog ही edit करना था. So that is awesome. I'll just finish this up very quickly and I'll sit and start working. Okay everyone, so मैंने files transfer कर लिए. Edit करना शुरू नहीं किया because I had to give Milo dinner and उसको मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा खेलना था तो मैं उसका खेल रही थी. And I was looking at the next poll. It says exercise or walk Millibear and 71% said walk Millibear. So मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं माइलो को अभी घुमाने ले जा लूँ क्योंकि वो अभी थोड़ा सैड है. मम्मी पापा उसको लेकर नहीं गए हैं. सो उसको बहुत बुरा लग जाता है जब कोई उसको नहीं लेकर जाता. सो ही इज़ वेरी सैड. तो अगर बाहर जाएगा वॉक करने के लिए ही विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. इतना खेला ऊपर. इज सो हैप्पी नाउ. मानो एकदम छोटे बच्चे जैसा है. मतलब ऐसे दिल पे ले लेता है छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को. ये घुमाने क्यों नहीं लेकर गए उसको. आई कुडंट फिल्म व्हाइल माइलो वाज वॉकिंग बिकॉज ऊपर छत पे बहुत अंधेरा है and it did not make any sense कि मैं अंधेरे में उसको फिल्म करूँ. Anyways, so that's done. The next thing is film a video or spend family time. 70% said spend family time. Unfortunately मुझे नहीं पता था कि आज के दिन मेरे घर वाले मुझे छोड़ के चले जाएंगे. मान लो अभी थोड़ी देर में सो जाएगा. So I'm basically alone. So what I'm thinking is अब मुझे हल्की हल्की भूख लगने लग गई है and today I saw food cravers posting garlic Maggi recipe and it looked very nice. So I'm thinking that मैं अपने लिए garlic noodles बना लेती हूँ because I'm alone and I deserve noodles. And family time के लिए I'll just simply call इशिता and हम वीडियो कॉल पे बात कर लेंगे.
लोगों को खाते परेशान नहीं करते. जाना मैं शरारत से भरा बड़ी मुश्किल में पड़ी मेरी फैमिली नोहारा. मैगी,
गार्लिक मैगी बहुत यम्मी लग रहा था यार. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. हंस रही है.
बटर हीट कर 1 स्पून.
बटर
इसमें 1 टीस्पून गार्लिक डालते हैं. वो जो मैंने पोल डाला था उसमें एक साइड्रेट डाला था.
एंड आई एम सो टायर्ड यू गाइज. आई कैन नॉट इवन टेल यू. मेरी आंखें दर्द हो रही हैं. ऑलमोस्ट 12 बज चुके हैं. मैं अनुष्का इशिता हमने इतने घंटे बात किया टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला. सो फॉर माई नाइट टाइम आई आस्क्ड इफ आई शुड स्लीप अर्ली और स्लीप लेट वर्किंग. 66% पीपल वोटेड दैट आई शुड स्लीप अर्ली बट अब 12 बज चुके हैं तो अर्ली तो नहीं होगा. बट आई एम गोना गो now sleep. If you ask me what was the most difficult thing today, I would say it was waking up early. That was the hardest thing. बाकी सब कुछ तो बहुत स्मूथली हो गया. 8 बजे उठने के कारण I was having really bad headache and जब तक मैं सोई नहीं तब तक ठीक नहीं हुआ. So that was bothering me a lot and now I feel extremely tired. If you guys enjoyed watching today's video, if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also let me know in the comments down below what all videos you would want me to film because that would be very helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.